Hello, my ScanNCutters. I haven't made a video for you in a while, but I do have a playlist and I'll have the link below for you that has dozens of videos and tutorials on how to use your ScanNCut and create beautiful things. Today I come with a new idea. This is for craft fair, but also to gift your friends during Christmas. But the great thing about this tutorial is not that you're going to learn how to design this Christmas tree, how to cut it, how to put it together for your lip balm holders, but also, with the techniques that I teach you in this tutorial, you will be able to adapt, because basically what you need to do is how to create different shapes, but also how to cut this perfectly that it fits this plastic container here. But also, if you know how to do that, once you learn, then you'll be able to adapt it to anything. For example, let's say it's not a Christmas gift, so it doesn't need to be a tree. Let's say it's just a birthday, you can do a birthday gift. You can do the same with a balloon, anything, a star, you create in any shape you want, or just a rectangle where you can write a note, but the technique will be learned. So let me give you some examples of the ones that I made with the tutorial. So these are for lip balm holders, but here's the great thing too. You can use the same techniques and ideas that you will learn during this class for money holders as well. So you never have to buy that. And with the great thing is, you know how it is. Once you have the ScanNCut, then you can mass produce. Today, yesterday alone, I made 36 of these in one afternoon, because all you need to do is create the file, send it to your machine, and then it's just cutting and cutting and cutting over and over again, because assembling this, putting this together is very easy. So this is my new online class for ScanNCut. I'll have the link below for that. And I hope you enjoy it. You're going to learn how to create, how to weld these images, how to actually create this shape of a tree, how to calculate the size for the hole where you will insert these plastic containers. And you also have a very detailed, like in all my classes, a manual that comes with all the images on how to, so you don't have to go back to the videos all the time. And also a list of shortcuts that will help you create this. But again, it's an idea, it's techniques, a bunch of techniques that you're going to learn on Canvas Workspace. You create this, but you will use it all year long. It's not just for Christmas. For lip balm holders, for money holders, and it's a great, very easy, you know me, if you've been around my channel for a while, you know that I do simple explanations, simple products and ideas, because I want to bring joy and a sense of accomplishment to you. So that's my new online class for those of you who have the machine, the cutting machine, ScanNCut. That's what this is for. If you don't have the machine, don't buy it, because you won't be able to do it. This is not just a paper project. So if you do, if you have a ScanNCut, or even if you're thinking about buying one, do buy one. I'll have the link below, and you will learn how to make this, okay? We have a lot of time for Christmas, but again, it's not just a Christmas project, something you can do all year long in different shapes. So there you go. Thank you so much. I hope you do purchase the class. It's very inexpensive. Like most of my classes is $9.99, and you have access for the rest of your life. And here's another idea for those of you who purchase the class. You can sell these in craft fairs or markets, because if people want to do this of course, if you're going to sell the lip balm holder, you already have the lip balm there, and that's how you sell it. But let's say, no, I want the money holder. So this is how you do it. You're going to have these, the only thing they need to do is to glue this to the back, because these two pieces here are separated. They're not glued, the front and the back, but you give them everything they need actually. So they have the plastic container here, everything's already glued. All they need to do is to insert the money in the plastic holder, and then glue the back. And this is how I package it, just to give you ideas on how to sell it. I give the ribbon, everything. All they need to do is put the money in, glue the back, and put the ribbon. And that's how I package mine. That's an idea for those of you who get the class, and it's a great way for you to make some money at the end of the year as well. So that's it. Thank you for being here with me. Do check my ScanNCut playlist. You see how I teach, my style, and you get to know how I bring this knowledge to you. Have a great day.